Alpine's Hemp Company. Gummies, seltzers, syrups, and more. Treat yourself to the best.
Welcome back. I'm Ralph Mangum. The WHKY News continues now with Community Focus. A Halloween event is scheduled in an area municipality. WHKY's Rob Eastwood speaks with an official from that town about the festivities.
And joining us on WHKY News this evening is Heather Miner, who is the town clerk, among other titles, here in Longview. And Heather, thanks for joining us once again. And we spoke recently about your drive to get folks to deliver things for the folks in Western North Carolina. I know that went well, and I really appreciate you joining us again here. And you've got an event coming up. It's a trunk or treat, and we're standing right next to where this is going to be located. So tell us all about it.
Yeah, thanks, Rob. So our trunk or treat will be on Halloween, which is October 31st. It's a Thursday. It will be held here at the Recreation Center in Longview. The address is 3107 2nd Avenue Northwest. It's right across from the airport. It'll be from 5:30 to 7:30. We highly encourage the kids to come dressed up. Parents, you can dress up too if you feel inclined to do so. And we'll have a bunch of participants handing out candy. We're handing out a lot of candy. I just bought a lot of candy. Our fire department will be handing out candy. Police will have their vendor table set up. Town hall will have a table set up as well as a lot of other people in the area.
So it won't just be the town, but the town is
Right.
providing candy, but you're going to have a bunch of other folks coming out participating. And I guess this is kind of a big undertaking for the town, isn't it?
It does. There's a lot of legwork that goes into it. So our former community resource officer, Eddie Marlowe, he did a lot to just make this a successful event. And his successor, Master Patrol Officer Creed, she took over the school resource officer position at Southwest Elementary, and she has been helping really just kind of pick right up where Sergeant Marlowe left off, and she's done an incredible job. I've been able to help a lot with reaching out to everybody, and she's been incredible. So she's filling those shoes pretty well and doing a great job.
Thank you so much, Heather Miner, the town clerk here with the town of Longview. And coming up on October 31st, Halloween, the trunk or treat here at the Recreation Center. And with Heather, I'm Rob Eastwood, WHKY News.
Thank you, Rob, and thanks to Heather Miner for taking time out to speak with us. Arianna Mack has the final word today as a deadline for disaster-related food assistance is rapidly approaching.
The application period for assistance in purchasing food through the Disaster Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or DSNAP, will close this Thursday, October 24th. Eligibility requirements are as follows. Individuals or households must have suffered losses, damages related to Tropical Storm Helene, such as property damage or loss of income, have proof of identity and proof of residency if available, have income and resources below specified levels, and currently not receiving benefits through the Food and Nutrition Services Program. Any resident in need of assistance to purchase food is encouraged to complete an application by contacting the DSNAP Virtual Call Center at 1-844-453-1117. Much more information at our website, WHKY.com. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thanks, Arianna, and thank you all for joining us. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and our guests today, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.